Guys, welcome back after that short advert break. Let us now focus on floor plans. Now, our first question here says, a floor plan of one of the chalets at the resort is indicated alongside. So here on my left-hand side, you can see is the floor plan. Okay? It says further on, study the floor plan. Right? What does that word refer to? Study. It means look at it carefully. Okay? See what it's all about. And answer the questions that follow. So, looking at what is presented here, I can see there's a bedroom 1, bedroom 2, living room, dining room, kitchen, your bathroom, laundry. Right? There's also a deck. Can you see? So there's an exterior door, right, leading onto the deck. What else is important here is that a key is given. And here, remember our second question in our practice test, here is the door, and the symbol for window is also included. Okay, now let's tackle this one. So the first question says, define the term floor plan. Remember we said when we opened that a floor plan is basically a line drawing, right? Showing rooms as though seen from above. Right, as though seen from above. And remember, key here is without a roof. And what we see here on our left-hand side is a clear indication of what this definition is all about. Can you see? It shows all the room, right, as seen from above, and there's no room indicated there. Okay, so that is the definition for our floor plan. Second question here says, determine the number of interior doors found on the plan. Remember, it should be interior doors. And we want to know how many, determine the number. Are we clear? So if I look at this, we agree this is an interior door, right? One going here to the bedroom is the second interior door. Here, bedroom number 2, that's the third interior door. This one, however, leads out there. So this becomes now an exterior door. So therefore, we'll indicate the number of interior doors will be 3. Guys, I hope that's clear. It's important for us to distinguish between interior and exterior. Okay, let us look at our next question. In question number 3, we are saying identify the exterior hall that does not have windows. Right? Okay, so important part, it does not have windows. And it must be an exterior hall. Now I'm going to start here. Okay, south. Can we see we have windows here at this hall? Here's a window. There's a window. Right, so it's definitely not that door. We agree? Right. Let's look at our eastern hall here, this one, on this side. There's a window, here's a window. Can't be this one either. Looking now at our northern door, hall. So there's a window there, okay. But now, if I look at this side, on my left-hand side, western side, can we see there, we don't have any windows here. Guys, is that clear? It says identify the exterior hall that does not have windows. So therefore, we can say it's the hall on the western side. Now, okay. Can I indicate it like that? The western hall, or the hall on the western side. Guys, is that clear to all of you? Okay, let us look at the next question. It says, write down the ratio of the number of rooms to the number of windows found on the plan in the form 1:2. Okay, so meaning we need to find that value, but as a unit, in unit form basically. Okay, so with this ratio, remember, it must be in the specific order. It says number of rooms to number of windows. If you're going to swap them around, it's going to be incorrect. Okay, because then you'll say windows is to rooms, which is not what the question is all about. So let me write it here to make it easy. It should be rooms is to windows. Okay, now let's quickly count the amount of rooms first. So it's bedroom 1, bedroom 2. So it's 2 rooms, the living room 3, dining room 4, kitchen 5, and then we have our bathroom. We agree, so there is 6. Okay? And I know sometimes we'll say, but this is an open plan. Can be for this activity, indicate this is seen as a room, because it's labeled as the living room. This is the dining room, that is the kitchen. Okay? Then for our windows, let's count how many windows we have. Okay, so it's 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and don't forget about the small bathroom window there, which is 9. Guys, are we clear? So the order, as I've indicated, is very important. Then now we still need to do one last thing. It says it should be in the form 1:. At this moment in time, that's not the form there. I'm saying it's 6:9, whereby 6 represent the number of rooms, and your 9 represent the number of windows. So therefore, I'm going to take this to a unit form. So I'll say 9/6, so that will give me 1:1,5. All right, 1:1,5. Guys, I hope that's clear to you. I counted the amount of rooms. I've counted the amount of windows. I wrote them in the ratio as is asked of me in that specific order. And then thereafter, I simplified it by writing it as a unit ratio. Okay, guys, I want to say thank you so much for joining us today. Please remember to work every day. Stay safe. Until next time. Goodbye.